Determine the pump size by calculating how much water the application will use. This can be done by counting the number of water fixtures in the home or other applications. Fixtures include showers, faucets, outdoor spigots, and water-using applications such as dishwashers, washing machines, and toilets. Each fixture requires 1 gallon per minute, or GPM, of flow. The GPM of Red Lion products is found on product cartons, literature, and the redlionproducts.com website.